Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We have a very distinguished panel here. The topic for the session is where is the profitability of the TV industry? The first panelist is Ajay Vidyasagar, the Chief Operating Officer of Sun Network. The next person I would like to invite on stage is Anshuman, Managing Director, Turner International Private Limited. Mr. Narayan Rao is the Group CEO and Executive Director of NDTV. My friend Rajesh Kamath. Rajesh, one of the biggest strategic error which Star did was to let him go in 2001. Rajesh Jain. Rajesh is Executive Director, Corporate Finance, and the head of ICE, which is Information, Communication and Entertainment, KPMG India. Then, of course, Sunil Lulla, the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of Times.
I think in the business that we are all in the television business, all of the metrics of profitability really will get driven from there is the faith and the belief that we all have. And the way we do it really is about going back to the basics, which is about understanding our consumers, understanding the consumption behavior, and understanding how important television is to this country. And here we are into the first decade of this century, and I think we all can agree collectively that this is the next biggest thing that's coming. There is the Googles, there's the Facebook, there's Kindle, you name it, but there is nothing in this country that is bigger than what television is.
There are only two reasons really that most of us are in the business in which we are. One is because we love doing what we do, and the other is that we want it to be a viable business. But within television itself, there's so many different genres, so I'll just confine. When you do news, you perform a public service. You, in a sense, become a public service broadcaster. And if you're a public service broadcaster, then you have a certain mission, which is to inform, to educate, to entertain, to do it independent of government, to also do it independent of revenue consideration. If you're not going to get what people pay to watch your channel by way of a monthly subscription fee, and you're not going to get any portion of it, then your dependence on advertising is absolute.
What I'm going to touch upon is more the mindset and the approach to a business which eventually leads to profitability. All of us in the broadcast business realize that in a cluttered space, if you are not in the top three, you cannot be profitable. Having said that, that leads to what is called a price war, that leads to what is called a carriage fee war, that leads to what is called a content bidding war. And if you cannot control the cost, then how many ever streams of revenue that you add to the mix, it's not going to help. So I don't think these are answers that I would like to give, but this is more for a debate and a discussion.
I'd just like to make a few observations. Clearly, on the positive side, the biggest driver for profitability in this industry will be the growth in subscription revenues. And that is the big opportunity which, at least for mature players, will be important. So, interestingly, subscription revenues growth could grow at well above 30% per annum for broadcasters, with the effect of the fact that if you assume that 60% of households by 2014 will be digitalized, which at least we are optimistic of the shifts that are happening both on DTH and digital on cable.
I looked at listed entities whose main activity is television broadcasting. In these 5 years, the NSE and the BSE have grown by 22 and 21% respectively. The television broadcasting market valuation has gone up 34%. So that's called hope. That's really the positive energy, right? That's the future that I think Rajesh alluded to when he talked about investment and what investors look for. Importantly, we've got to look at new technologies as being powerful new streams of revenue. Young people are going to come and work for companies which are breaking through with technology and making money doing it so that we can pay their salaries and make this a rocking industry to be with. So that's all I have to say. Thank you.